If you think all cooking oils are the same but still struggle with choosing the right one, then this video is for you. Today, we're busting some of the biggest myths about cooking oils. Get ready to make smarter choices in your kitchen. First up, myth number 1. All cooking oils are created equal. Wrong. Different oils have different chemical structures, smoke points, and nutritional profiles. For example, extra virgin olive oil has a lower smoke point than avocado oil, making it better for medium heat cooking rather than deep frying. Using the wrong oil for high heat cooking can lead to harmful compounds. See? This is why choosing the right oil matters. Next, myth number 2. Coconut oil is healthy for everything. Coconut oil is often marketed as a miracle ingredient, but is it really healthy for everything? Coconut oil contains about 90% saturated fat, which can raise LDL cholesterol. While it may have some benefits, it's not a magic cure-all. Moderation is key. Use it occasionally, not as your primary oil. And finally, myth number 3. Olive oil is only for salad dressings. Many people think olive oil is just for salads, but that's a myth. Extra virgin olive oil can handle moderate heat and enhances the flavor of many dishes. Plus, it's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Great for roasting, sautéing, and even baking. So, how do you choose the best oil? Consider smoke point, health benefits, and flavor. Look for high-quality oils, especially extra virgin and organic varieties. And don't forget to store them in a cool, dark place to maintain freshness. Now you know the truth about cooking oils. Remember, the right choice depends on how you're using it. Help spread the truth. Share this video with your friends and family. Hit like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite cooking oil in the comments. Stay informed, stay healthy.